Hey guys, it's Shelby. Welcome to my channel. So I admit I've been a little MIA on my channel lately, but there's a good reason for that. If you didn't notice by the title, we bought a house. I am so excited I can't even begin to explain the emotions that I'm feeling right now. But of course we've been a little MIA because we've been really busy. I also don't really have a house to show you right now. We've been working on this for like the last month or so, so I started packing like a month ago. So everything's pretty much in boxes. We've been living kind of out of our boxes. There are a few things that are in the basement, like decor and stuff, are completely sealed up and not being used right now, but literally I could show you there are boxes all around me right now. So I don't really have anything to show you. Of course I've been cleaning, but I just don't really want to show that stuff right now. I haven't really bought any decor, haven't been working on any DIY projects or anything like that because I don't know what I'm going to want or need in the new house. Of course, I have a specific design style and everything like that. I just kind of want to be in the area, living in it for a minute before I make any decisions on those things. So this last month has been absolutely insane, but even prior to that, we started really looking for houses back in like January. I don't know how the market is right this second, but I don't know, the last like 6 months has been absolutely just stupid. There's no houses where we would want to be, and all the houses that we would look at were just absolutely horrible, or the houses that we liked would go, they wouldn't accept our offer, and then they would take offers that were thousands and thousands over asking, and I feel like that was an issue everywhere. I wouldn't say that we got desperate, but I will say that we settled kind of on, the type of house in the area that we wanted. Well, not even the type of house. The type of the house is awesome. The issue is the location. We originally wanted something not necessarily directly in between our jobs because we do work in completely separate cities that are an hour apart. So we were kind of looking for something like maybe a 40-minute drive for my husband Randy and 20-minute drive for me. And of course the area specifically that we were looking in, there was nothing. There were a couple houses that we looked at there, but ultimately we didn't place an offer, or if we did place an offer, we didn't get it. And that did happen with one house. So yeah, there's just absolutely slim pickings. We ended up buying a house in a neighborhood that is a much further drive for my husband and just right around the corner for work for me. So ultimately he made a sacrifice, but he was the one who kind of brought the house to my attention and we fell in love with it. We would much prefer something with a little bit more space and not having neighbors on either side. However, we are on a corner lot, so even though we have neighbors, they're not like right on top of us, so definitely a win there. So the house was built in 1966. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, technically a tri-level, but the bottom level is an unfinished basement. It's 2 living spaces, a large kitchen, laundry on the main floor, which is a win. I don't have to go down to the basement anymore to do my laundry. A master suite with a huge walk-in closet, just way more space than we need. Definitely room for us to grow as a family, which is the goal, so that's awesome. The house itself is in really good condition, and you can tell the previous owner did a lot to it. There are some things that we are going to want to do to make it our own. First things first, paint. There's some very bold choice colored walls that are just not mine and my husband's style. So I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to go ahead and do the walkthrough. All right, so I'm at the house. I'm going to give you just an empty house tour now. I'm here to clean, so just ignore the appearance. You're not going to be seeing me anyway. But yeah, sorry for the echo and everything. It's completely empty in here and hard floors. So anyway, when you first come in through the front door, there is a beautiful staircase. This is exactly what I would have done to my staircase if it wasn't like this already, so I'm very excited for that. So coming to the right of the doorway, this is our living room. There are no overhead lights or anything in here, so I'm trying to use this little thing. It's actually pretty bright in here anyway, but I think that these floors are laminate. These are going to be staying. Very excited about that. We're pretty much going to paint the whole house white to start with, just to clean it up, and then go from there as far as, doing accent walls later or choosing a different color later, either way. So anyway, I think that we're gonna do a couch along this wall and then our TV here, and then maybe like a bookshelf and a seating area or something over there. The previous owner had a couch on either side and some chairs here and TV down that way, but it was honestly pretty crowded and stuff when we did the tour. It was pretty, but yeah, I think that that's what we're gonna do. Coming into here is the little dining area. This floor we are replacing. You can tell they're completely different floors that butt up to one another. I'm not a fan of shiny floors, redwood floors at all, so we're gonna do our best to match it to this. It's not gonna be exact, but at least it won't be an entirely stark difference. So yeah, dining area, nice slider out to the backyard. Like I said, we'll be painting for sure. Don't mind my plants, I've brought a few things over. This is our first like full day here. So I was able to bring some things over. I'm getting ready to start cleaning, like I said. And here's our wonderful kitchen. I'm so excited. We obviously need a fridge. She had one of those awesome like smart Samsung fridges. And of course took that with her, which I don't blame her. So we're gonna get something probably pretty similar. I'm not a huge fan of black countertops at all, but I'm pretty sure that these are real stone. These are definitely gonna be staying. Like I said, we'll be replacing the floors, and we might be replacing that backsplash to maybe just a white subway tile, just to kind of brighten it up and everything. Honestly, we're not making any further decisions until the floor is done and I can get a better look at everything. I don't really want to paint the cabinets. I actually really like the natural wood look to them. They're not shiny or anything. And the shaker style, I just really, really like it. I do want to add some pulls to the handles and the doors, probably just some matte black ones. I can't tell you how many times I've gone to open cabinets in this kitchen and I have no idea which way they even open. But this beautiful, huge window over the sink and Pete's undermount. This is one of the things that I was most excited about when I saw it on our home tour. So I am very, very excited to move into this kitchen. If you've watched any of my previous videos, especially my kitchen videos, you know I have the tiniest kitchen in the world. So this is an amazing, amazing upgrade for him and I, and we can't be happier. She had a nice little shelf up here. I think we are going to put a couple shelves up there as well, make this like my coffee bar area. So like our coffee maker and some things, and we'll do like our coffee and our cream and sugar and all that stuff up on the shelf. So I don't really know what we're gonna do as far as dining table and all of that right now. Of course, it'll be to be determined once we get everything moved in here and we can start working on things. Moving on down the hallway. So this goes to the basement. I'm not going to even go down there and show you all of that stuff. It's actually very similar to my basement at my apartment. So if you see me do like my laundry and stuff, it's very similar. It's not finished, but it's not like disgusting. A nice little closet here would be my cleaning supply closet. And then the main floor bathroom. I love these floors. They're like tile that look like wood. That's honestly, again, what I would put into my house if it wasn't already here. We will be painting this. I'm thinking like a really light blue color. Yeah, just to kind of brighten it up in here. I like this blue. It's just not the hugest fan. Really need to get in here and clean. I'm very excited to do that, but I'm loving the white with the neutral countertop. It's, just a really nice blank slate in here. And then off to this side, we have this huge laundry room and mudroom area. So that is the garage. And then this goes out to the back door. So obviously laundry over here. We're thinking about getting like some IKEA cabinets to put here for our mudroom situation. We might be putting the vinyl floor in here as well, the vinyl wood floor. This isn't horrible, but it's definitely not like, anything that's my style. So coming into here, I just keep calling it the fireplace room. I don't really know what this room is going to be for us yet. Obviously there's a fireplace. We don't really know if we're gonna do anything yet. Randy really wants to take this hearth out, but if we do that, we're gonna have to replace the floor here. So I mean, maybe we could tile it or something, but obviously we can't get an exact match of these floors. We have no idea. I'm pretty sure they're laminate. Like I said, I have no idea if they even make them anymore. So that could be difficult. I don't mind the stone. I'm not a huge fan. Like, I wouldn't have chosen it myself, but it's not awful. It obviously needs cleaned up. And then I might paint this. I'm thinking maybe black, but I don't know. I need to do some more Pinterest looking, I don't know. And then I think that we're gonna put our desk over here. We thought about putting our desk upstairs, but honestly, what else would we use this room for? And it's just, I don't know, it's kind of like a nice little office area off of the front here. So I like that. So desk over there, we're probably gonna put a couple chairs, something cozy here so that we can have fires and stuff in the winter months. Thinking our Christmas tree is gonna go over here. Yeah, I'm just really excited. If you haven't noticed, these beautiful windows all throughout the house let in so much light, and you know I'm a plant girl, so I'm just beyond excited about all of that as well. I can, you know, bring in a bunch more plant babies and they're all gonna just thrive, and yeah, I'm very excited about that. All right, so that's it. I was just kind of showing you how it all just goes in a circle. So let's go ahead and head upstairs. All right, and then right up the stairs, there is the second floor bathroom. I'm honestly afraid to go in here. There's so many spiders in this house right now. So we have the same tile wood floor in here, which I'm really excited. This nice tub. I have not had a like soaker bathtub since I lived with my parents, so I'm really excited about this. Nice tiled in shower. Not a huge fan of the color, but tonight we're gonna go ripping that out. Definitely gonna be painting in here. I kind of want to paint the vanity like a sage green and put leather pools on it. And then, yeah, I like that the sink top is white and really neutral and nice. So a lot of like oil rubbed bronze accents in here, which again, I'm not a huge fan of. I just don't know if we're gonna go replacing all of that stuff right away. So again, stairs, that was the bathroom, and then coming this way, we have 2 spare bedrooms. I'm thinking we're gonna set this one up as like a guest bedroom at some point, and then that room will just have like my vanity and my extra stuff. Hopefully family planning at some point. That will be the nursery, and this will be the spare room. But we'll see what life brings us, I guess. So this first room here just has one little window. It actually looked a lot bigger when we were looking at it in person, when there was furniture and stuff in here. It's not tiny though, by any means. It's perfect for a kid's room or just a spare room. Then coming down the hallway, this is a linen closet, and then our creepy attic that we really need to fix that, because I can only imagine how many spiders are coming out of that, and I'm just not okay with that. Yeah, really nice linen closet. Pretty much identical to what we had in our apartment, which is great. It was more than enough storage for all of our linens. And then this is the other spare room that I said I'm gonna be putting my vanity and stuff in, because it has 2 windows, which is awesome. Again, a nice size bedroom for kids and stuff. And this closet is huge as well. The other one was a little bit smaller, I didn't show you, but yeah, it's a nice deep closet. And last but not least, the master. So this room definitely needs the most work as far as the walls. We'll definitely be painting and ripping off this wallpaper. I kind of started doing that yesterday just to see if it was a peel and stick or an actual adhesive. I'm pretty sure it's an actual adhesive, so we're gonna have some work ahead of us, that's for sure. So, and then we have a nice walk-in closet over here. Ta-da! Definitely more than enough space for him and I. You know, right now I have my own closet in one room, and he has his own closet in another room, and it's pretty much the length of this and, you know, just one rack. So there's more than enough hanging space for the both of us. We might do some customization type stuff in here at some point, but again, that'll be a later project. This will be more than functional for us right now. And our master bathroom, kind of like a long hallway, but you know what? It's, again, more than enough for us, so I'm really excited. I would have really loved 2 sinks on this, but I'm very happy that it's white and neutral, and we can do pretty much whatever we want to in here. Nice little stand-up shower. One thing I hadn't showed you yet is the backyard. I'm not going to open this door right now because there's a wasp nest up here that we need to take care of. it's a pretty decent yard. I mean, it's a chain link fence, not my favorite, but it's at least something that we can get a dog. You know, we can kind of start with everything. There was a huge pool in this yard. It like took up the whole yard. And the previous owner said that she only got a few years out of it. I'm pretty sure it was here before she got here. So she actually had to take that pool out and completely fill it in. So no pool, but you know, at least we have a nice large backyard for, again, like I said, dogs and hopefully kids at some point. A little patio, it'd be nice to kind of fix this up. Randy really wants to make a deck out here. So we want to put like a custom bonfire pit out here. We want to put some like posts up where we can put some string lights and stuff onto it. Just make it a cute little entertaining area, which would be awesome. That's all we need. So that's the house tour. Thank you for watching today. I hope you're as excited as we are. There's gonna be a lot of projects coming up for us lately. And to be honest with you, I'm sure that these videos are gonna be pretty sporadic. I don't know how these projects are gonna go. I have a feeling that you're just gonna be seeing little bits here and there and it's all gonna be compiled together. So I'm sorry for any lack of organization in these videos, but I will certainly be taking you along the way. So yeah, thanks for watching.